boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop. We are going to start something different with Writer's Workshop today. This week we are going to be doing what is called an author study, and you are going to be learning about the author Tana Hoban. You might see her picture right here behind me on this anchor chart that we're going to work on. Now, when we do author studies, we will start out by reading some of the books by the author and talking about what it is that they do that makes writing fun. So, in just a second, I will show you some of Tana Hoban's books, and I will be reading a book to you, and then we will get to talk about that and start on our anchor chart. Now, it's also important to know that when we first start our author studies, since we're working on what it is that makes writing fun with the anchor chart and the books, there is no writing on the student's part for the first day or two, but we will get there. We do have a writing assignment today though, so hold on tight and I'll tell you about that at the very end. Now, about Tana Hoban. Tana Hoban is an author. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of her. I know I had not before I started teaching kindergarten, but she does have quite a few books, and I will show you some of those books right now. Right here is one of her books called Shapes, Shapes, Shapes. We have got cubes, cones, cylinders, and spheres. This book is a special book that I will get to show you guys. It's called 26 Letters and 99 Cents. And then we have the book I Read Signs. So, there's a lot of exciting things that are happening in Tana Hoban's books, and we'll get to talk about those, okay? I am going to read you guys the book 26 Letters and 99 Cents, and we'll get to see why this is such a special book. Now, you might notice there's only one name here. That's because Tana Hoban is not only the author, she's also the illustrator. 26 Letters and 99 Cents by Tana Hoban. A airplane, B bicycle, C car, D dinosaur, E egg, F fish, G glove, H house, I ice cream, J jelly beans, K kangaroo, L lock, M mushroom, N nuts, O orange, P pig, Q quilt, R robot, S seahorse, T turtle, U umbrella, V Valentine, W wagon, X xylophone, Y yo-yo, Z zipper. And now you might notice it's upside down. It actually says right here that you have to turn the book over in order to get the new story. This is two books in one, so I'm going to flip it over and open it. She's got a new title page. And here is the book, 99 cents. 1, 2, you might notice she's using money for her pictures here. 3, 4, 5, 6, and she's even showing you more than one way to show 6 cents. 7, 8, 9, 10. Look right here. 10 pennies is the same as 2 nickels or 1 dime. They all equal 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and now she counts by fives, 35, 40, 45, 50, and now by tens, 60, 70, 80, 90, 99 cents. Now this book I really like it. One, because it's 2 books in one that you have to flip over in order to get to the 2 different stories. But also, I don't know if you noticed this, the illustrations in this book are not pictures that she drew. She took real photographs. Look at this. This is a photograph of different pieces of money and letters and numbers that she took. And you'll see that throughout the entire book. On this page, this is a mushroom. She took a picture of a mushroom for M. She took a picture of nuts for N. She took a picture of an orange for O and a toy pig for P. As an illustrator and an author in her books, she's actually taking photographs with the camera to put them in her story. Isn't that neat? So that's one thing that I think we could put on our on our anchor chart, is that she's using real photographs in her books. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down so we can remember that's one of the things that you can do as an author to make writing fun. So uses real pictures. Now, there's something else that she did in this book, and we're going to talk about that. Let me finish this. You might have noticed that in this book, she wrote this book to teach us something. She wanted us to learn. What do you think she wanted us to learn about in the 99 cents part of this book? I think she wanted us to learn about counting and money. She wanted to teach us something. Now, when she wrote the part of the book about 26 letters, what do you think she wanted to teach us? What did she want you guys to learn when she was writing this book? I think that she was wanting us to learn about the letters and different sounds the letters say, like for M. That's what I think. So on this anchor chart, I'm going to put down that she is trying to teach us something. That's the purpose behind her writing, is to teach us. So we need to remember that. So I'm going to write that down. And as we continue to talk about Tana Hoban throughout this entire week, we are going to add to this anchor chart of all the things that Tana Hoban does as an author and illustrator to make writing fun. And you're going to get a chance this week to read the rest of these books by Tana Hoban, but we're not going to do that today. Now, I did tell you that we had an assignment for writing today, but you're not going to write. What you need is a piece of paper. If you have a blank piece of paper, get that. If you just have regular lined paper, that will work too. All you're going to do today is take this piece of paper and turn it into a book. So let me show you how. You'll see I've got my paper here. I am going to fold my paper. This is what I call a hamburger fold, okay? You're going to fold it to where your edges meet up. And parents, you might have to help with this. Once you get the corners to meet up and the edges, you are going to crease it. And now look at that. We have a book. This is going to be the front cover. And when you open it, you'll have 1, 2, 3 pages that you can write your story on. And that is all you're going to need right now, because this is the first book that we've ever written in kindergarten. And just one piece of paper is going to be enough pages for your book. Okay? So this is all I need you to do today, is to get a piece of paper and fold it into a book and put it in a safe place so you've got it for tomorrow's writing workshop lesson. All right. Thank you. Bye.